everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you this makeup look which is just using 3 products only. Yes, you heard me right. I used just 3 products: foundation, a lipstick and a mascara, and I have done this makeup. So you are definitely going to learn some tips and tricks on how you can do your makeup when you are just with 3 products. Actually, this video is a challenge from L'Oreal itself, so I picked it up because I thought this is going to help you a lot, because there are many people who are not into so much makeup, so they are just with 2 or 3 products only. So how you can do your makeup with these 3 products only, this is what you are going to learn in this video. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look using these 3 products, then please continue. And also a disclaimer, this video is really honest. I didn't play it with you. I just used these 3 products for my makeup. And yeah, without further ado, let's continue the video. Alright guys, so I have already done my skin preparation. My skincare is done, and skincare doesn't lie in the category of makeup, so that's why I have done it before. So the first product that I am using is the foundation, which is from L'Oreal Paris, and it is their Demi Matte foundation, and I'm in the shade 104 Golden Beige. So I'm gonna just dot it first. And if you can see, I have taken a very little amount of this foundation. So I'm not gonna apply first under my eyes. I'm just gonna apply this much, and remaining is still on my hand. The reason that I've picked it is this is a beautiful foundation. Like, it is a matte foundation, so you do not need to set it with a powder. So if you can see, a little goes a long way. It has covered my whole face, and it looks beautiful on skin, like you can see yourself. And now I'm gonna take a little under my eyes as well, and on my lids. Yes, and it's enough for me now, and I don't need any powder. Like, I don't feel the need of applying powder on my face. Alright, and now the second product that I'm using for my face is this lipstick, which is from L'Oreal Paris, and it is their Rouge Signature Liquid Matte Lipstick. So I have a full review on this lipstick as well, so you can check it here. So the shade that I'm using is 129 I Lead. The first way in which I'm gonna use this product is my eyeshadow. The second way in which I'm gonna use this product is as my blush, and the third way is of course lipstick. So for eyeshadow first, what I'm gonna do is taking this product all over my lid like this, and here as well, like this roughly. You can take any blending brush and first just tap over the product on your lids like this, and then slowly start blending it. And take this product all the way to your crease and a little above. That's it. And now here as well, doing the same trick, first tapping this product so that it spreads evenly, and now just using some circular motions, I'm gonna take it to my crease and then a little above as well. The reason is because it has a super light formula, and you can see I didn't put any effort in blending. So it has a super light formula which blends really easily. So that's why I really love this lipstick. And it has given me a good coverage with the eyeshadow as well. Now the next step that I'm gonna do is apply a little more product on my outer corners only, to give my corners some depth and some dimension. So yes, and here as well on my outer corners. And now I'm gonna take this product all over. I'm just gonna tap it here only, like making a V shape, that's it. And here also doing the same trick, like just tapping it and making a slight V on the outer corners. That's it. And now the second way in which I'm gonna use this lipstick is as my blush. So I'm gonna take a little product at the back of my hand like this. And now you can use anything, your brush or a beauty blender, but I'm gonna use my finger. Taking some product on my finger like this, and just lightly I'm gonna dab it. Like I might be a cartoon.
Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when.
And by the way, you do not have to move your fingers like this to blend this as your blush, because you do not want to move your foundation which is underneath. So just dab it like this. Done. And now the last and the final way in which I'm gonna use this lipstick is as my lipstick. So the fact that I really love this lipstick is just because it has a super light formula which feels like you haven't applied anything on your lips. It has a really good doe foot applicator which goes really well at every corner of your lips. Also, you won't need any lip liner because it is so precise, and the pointed edge of this doe foot applicator reaches every corner of your lips. And now the third and the final product that I'll be using is this mascara. So I do not have any mascara from L'Oreal Paris. I am thinking to buy it, but of course when this quarantine is over. In what ways I'm gonna use it? Like, I am going to use it for my brows because I do not have any brow product. And then I'm gonna use it as eyeliner, and then of course as mascara. So first I'm gonna tell you how you can use it as your eyebrow product. I have this brush which I usually use for my brows. So this is an angular brush. It is really good to fill your brow. Taking the product on this brush, but you have to work very lightly because this is black. So I have just filled in like this, you can see, and here as well. And now again I'm gonna take this clean swirly and I'm going to brush it off to make it spread evenly.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up and
And now the second way in which I'm gonna use this mascara again. Take some on the same brush and I'm gonna apply it very close to my lash line.
when seasons change, but we're the same.
So I've roughly taken it like this and here as well. I want to smoke it up, so I'm gonna use the same blending brush and I'm gonna blend it to give it a soft smoky effect like this, like you can compare yourself. And now again, like just using this brush on the mascara like this, and it looks really nice now. It has given some sort of dimension to my eyes. And now the third and the final way in which I'm going to use this mascara is mascara itself. So I'm going to quickly coat my lashes with this.
Fired up like a wolf on a full moon, and we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
Alright guys, so this is how my makeup turned out to be, which I honestly really don't mind, because when you are short of products, you have only 3 products, you can do this kind of makeup, which I totally love, so no complaints. And yeah, if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below. Please do not leave this channel without subscribing, share this video, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video.